It's extraordinary behavior. Perhaps it's the smell of blood that's upsetting them, or just displaced anger and fear. Eventually they back off, but the message is clear. Elephants are not to be messed with. It's not a lesson the lions will forget in a hurry. The burst of energy has taken its toll on the injured mother of the little dreamer. She's having breathing problems. The wound looks a little better, but she still moves gingerly as if every footstep causes her discomfort. The dreamer has given up trying to elicit any affection from her.